Acorns made some changes recently to their investment platform, and since it's been a little while since we've done a review of their services, we're going to take another look and see what's different. Acorns started out as an investment platform that automates your investing for you, and they've popularized the roundups feature, which rounds up each of your purchases and puts that spare change into an investment portfolio for you. Their philosophy is that even your spare change added up over time can make a big difference in your investments. Acorns offers 3 different tiers of their investing services. The first is Acorns Personal, and it's more of a basic account. Now, the subscription for this account is $3 a month, and with this you'll get a basic checking account. With this checking account, you'll receive a debit card, and with that, you'll have the roundups feature enabled for your investments. This is where if you spend a certain amount of money, Acorns will automatically round up that charge to the nearest dollar and invest the difference in a portfolio for you. In addition to the Acorns Personal account, they also offer an Acorns Personal Plus account for $6 a month and an Acorns Premium account for $12 a month. And with these 2 accounts, there is a way to waive that fee, and we'll discuss that in just a moment. But for now, looking at their checking features, it's much the same as the Acorns Personal account, with the exception of the Mighty Oak debit card and some of the benefits that go along with that. It comes with the limited edition tungsten metal Mighty Oak Visa debit card, and some of the big benefits that come with one of these accounts as opposed to the Acorns Personal account is a 3% APY on your checking account and a 5% APY on your emergency fund, which is basically a savings account. While this 5% APY is very impressive and one of the top of the savings accounts that I've seen out there, the 3% APY on your checking account is pretty much unheard of. You'll be pressed pretty hard to find another APY on a checking account that's this high. These are 2 of the highest APYs that are available out there. With Acorns, they also offer an automatic paycheck split, which automatically invests a piece of every paycheck. You can have this automated to where when you get a paycheck, a part of that paycheck automatically goes directly into your investments. They also have early payday, which when you direct deposit into your account, you'll receive that 2 days earlier than what you typically would. And speaking of direct deposits, that's actually how you can get a waiver on your Acorns Personal Plus and Premium account, is by having a direct deposit of $250 or more per month going into this account. As I mentioned before, they offer real-time roundups, which rounds up each of your purchases to the nearest dollar and invests that spare change directly for you. Now, this is all digital banking, so you can have mobile check deposits into this account, and also you can have digital checks that are sent out for you. Of course, this is FDIC insured for up to $250,000 for this account. Now, moving on to the investment platform, we'll look at this in general, and then we'll come into the specifics of each of the plans. With your investing accounts, you can invest in a regular brokerage account. You can also invest in an IRA account or an individual retirement account. You can set up automatic recurring investments so that you can invest in the background and automate your investing. This is by far the best way to invest so that you're not having to think about every time that you invest in something. Now, when you set up your investment account, Acorns is going to ask you some questions to find out your risk tolerance. Now, once you're done with this survey, then they'll select the portfolio that fits you the best and then invest your money into that account. Now, with time, as your portfolio balance changes, they'll rebalance the portfolio to make that it's still on target for your risk preferences. In addition, they have automatic dividend reinvestments so that when you're receiving dividends from your investments, that you'll be able to reinvest that back into your portfolio to get the best gain that you can from this. They also offer some highly rated ETFs for this account, which includes a lot of the popular ones that are out there, including iShares and Vanguard, as well as ProShares Bitcoin Strategy in the event that you want to add Bitcoin to your portfolio. Now, these ETFs are a diversified mix of stocks and bonds that give you a broad range of investments to keep your portfolio balanced, and these include the top companies that are out there like Amazon, Google, Berkshire Hathaway. All of the investment services mentioned until now are on each of the service plans that they offer. In addition to all of these services, with the Acorns Personal Plus tier, this is a $6 tier, Acorns will additionally match 1% of your IRA contributions. With the Acorns Premium plan, there's a few extra perks with that one. They'll increase the IRA match from 1% to 3%, and in addition to that, you can customize your portfolio and add individual stocks. So for example, if you have a base portfolio that is made up of their ETFs that they've selected for you, you can additionally add stocks like Apple and Google to this to customize your portfolio and select stocks that you have a personal interest in. So this is a great opportunity to have all of your banking and investing in one place and be able to customize your portfolio with individual stocks as well and not have to get an extra account to do that. With the premium account, you can also set up an investment account for kids. So if you have children and you're wanting to teach them about investing, this is a great opportunity to provide them that platform to learn. While we're on the topic of kids, with the premium account, you also get their service offering known as Go Henry, which is basically banking for children. This is a learning app and a debit card for children. Within this app, there's a chores tracker, and you can automate your allowance for your children as well, and it has parental controls with real-time spending notifications. Embedded within this service, there's an educational platform that will help teach your children important concepts about banking and about money to help give them a good financial foundation for their future. Acorns is always looking for new ways to help you to invest, and one of their services is Acorns Earn. This allows for bonus investments to go into your investment account while you're shopping. That's right, you can earn your investments by shopping at thousands of different brands, many of which you probably already shop at, and as you shop, they'll contribute rewards directly into your investment account. Within their app, they've also embedded a way for you to earn from side hustles. You can also look at their list of full-time, part-time, and remote jobs to help you to earn more so that you can invest more. Now, my opinion on this account is overall, I'm very impressed with this account. The one negative to this account is that they introduce fees to the account. The $3 fee for the Acorns personal account can't be waived, and so you're going to have to pay that fee if you get the personal account. However, with the Personal Plus and the Premium accounts, you can have the fee waived if you're direct depositing $250 or more per month into that account. In general, I just feel that there are too many service offerings out there that don't charge fees to have to worry about putting up with a fee with this account. Now, again, you can have the account fee waived, so that is a positive. But if we look beyond the fees into the general service offerings, I'm very impressed by the 3% APY on checking, the 5% APY on the savings account. In addition to that, with the premium account, there are a lot of perks that you just won't find out there for many others. The 3% match on the IRA is a wonderful offering, and then having the ability to have an investment account for your children, and in addition to that, to have the GoHenry Banking for Children features, that's something that's really beneficial for teaching your children the right financial principles that they're going to need for the rest of their life. Getting them an early start in understanding finances and investing is a huge step ahead for someone at that age. I think it's really important to start at a very young age teaching good financial principles because it's just something that's not taught very much. And the earlier that you get a good financial foundation, the better for your future. Now, in addition to all of these things with the premium account, just in case that wasn't enough, they also offer $10,000 worth of life insurance for those who qualify and a no-cost will to help plan for your family's future. Now, when it comes to robo-advisors, I do believe that Acorns is one of the top, probably one of the top 3 that are out there. But if you're still not sold on them and you're looking for other options, then check out this video right here. And always remember, the best things that you can invest in is in those you love and in yourself. But don't stop there. Keep investing. Until next time.